Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Today we're going to be learning about numbers. First thing you're going to do, you're going to report your attendance right here. Pause your video for a second and fill the form, please. Thank you. Okay, so for your warm-up, first of all, you are going to participate in this discussion. So you click on the photo word. Photo means forum. So it's a discussion. You're going to click here, you're going to go here, and you're going to answer in the comments like you did last class. So you're going to talk about your dance and what you did last class. All right, back to the plan. We're learning the numbers from number 1 to 100. Students copy the notes for numbers. So these are your notes for numbers. Right here. You copy these on a piece of paper. And then you're going to copy this color-coded chart. I put it there on a Google Doc. And I want you to copy. You can use any colors you want, but I want you to use one color for this, one color for this, one color for this, one color for this, and one color for this. And it has a reason to be. Because I put numbers from 1 to 10 right here. And then 11 to 20. So you can see this, the things that are similar and the things that are different in the numbers. So for example, you have uno and then you have one. Oh, but, sorry, that's how my kids pronounce it. You have once and then you have 21. So uno, once, 21. So now you see a similarity here between this one and this one. This one is kind of different. So actually this blue column is kind of different except for these numbers right here from the 16 and down that actually include this number. So I just want you to look at the numbers so that may help you to learn them. And then in this column, I put this column because it has a Y in between. That Y reads E, by the way. No Y, no 31, 30Y1, uno. See, it's, instead of that, you're going to say 31. So you have this column right here until you get to 40, 40. But then after that, you're going to pronounce them, you're going to read them the same way, or you're going to write them the same way. I put another video here in the plan, right down there, right here. In that video, you have the pronunciation of the numbers. I did that video because some of my students were having difficulties learning how to pronounce the numbers and they had to do some recordings. So I recorded that video and I thought it would work for our video, for our class. Okay, so you're gonna copy, you copy this on the paper. So these are your notes and then the color coded and you put that in your notebook. And then you have a homework. In your homework, what you're going to do, you're going to use this information and you're going to figure out how to say these numbers based on the information. And then you have an entry box where you're going to type. So you type number 1 and you write the number in Spanish using this information. And here you have the video for the numbers pronunciation. Miss Bass to the rescue. 2, 3, 4. Please, when you listen to this video, repeat the numbers so you learn how to pronounce them. And then you have the Quizlet numbers that we were working with the previous class. Practicing the numbers, and attention, you have to study your numbers because you will have a quiz on numbers next class. So that's the word for today. In your entry box, you're going to type your numbers in Spanish, this one for the homework, and for your warm-up, you're gonna type your comment in the discussion. So that's 2 things that you need to turn in by the end of the class. As always, if you have any questions or you need any help, you call Miss Bass and she will come to the rescue. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.